It's from the 1971 film Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. It's the Oompa Loompa song. It's written by Leslie Bricusse and Anthony Newley. I play it, cape it up on the 2nd fret. I play it in the key of E minor. So everything I say will be relative to the fret. So if I say I'm playing an E minor, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly an F sharp minor. The first time through in the example, I played it with just 2 strings at a time, just a bass string and a melody string. The other times I played it through, I played the entire chord. This first chord is an E minor, and the melody is 2nd string and the 4th string. Then you press down on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then you jump up to an A minor chord. But you're only hitting strings 5, 4, and 3, so you only have to hold down these 2 2nd frets of the 3rd and 4th strings. So it's like this. It stays on the A minor, back to the E minor, and then it jumps to a C chord. That's really a C6 chord because you're adding this A. For your melody, you hold down your C in the bass, which is the 5th string, 3rd fret, and play your melody there, and then you're going to go down to a B chord, which is a barred B chord. But you're only hitting strings 5 and 4. You're getting this B as your bass, and this 4th fret on the 4th string is your melody, which is your F sharp. So the whole first part is E minor, A minor, E minor, C, B. And then you repeat. To here. And then from this A minor, the melody stays on the A minor, back to the E minor, and then to this B7th chord, to the E minor. This B7th chord looks like a D7th, but it's here on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings, 2nd, 1st, and 2nd frets. So on the 3rd string, it's the 2nd fret, open, and you're already holding down the 1st fret of the 4th string. And then back to the E minor with your melody on this 4th string. So the whole first part is. And you can play that with the chords also. E minor, A minor, C, B, E minor, A, or a combination of the single notes and the chords, as always. Then we move on to the break, which is a C and a G. The C melody is on the 1st string. So it's open, open, 2, 3, 2, open. And then the G chord, the melody is on the 2nd string. And that's 3rd open. move to a D chord. The only string I have to hold down here is the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, because the A and the D here on the 5th and 4th strings are going to be open. This is a D chord, or D7th chord. So it's A, B, C, B, A. And then back to the G chord, playing the melody on the 2nd string between the open and the 3rd. So the first 4 chords of this break are a C, G, a D, G, and then it goes back to the C. G, and then we move up to this F sharp, which is the barred F sharp. And the melody is within the chord. It's the 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, and then you play a B chord, which is the barred B, playing your melody on the 1st string. And then one of the times he goes, and then down to this run. I usually just go and then strike it and then play the run. And this run looks like this. And this run is a B, B, C, A, B, G, A, F sharp. And then you go back to the song. And one of the times they end the B chord, instead of going down, they go up with the B.